Hello students, how are you today? Hope you are okay. Welcome to our English class, Primary 2. Today we are going to study farm animals. Farm animals. I'll play a video for you right now about farm animals. You listen attentively. Are you ready?
The farm, let's take a walk around the farm. What do you see? A cow, a cow, a dog, a dog, a duck, a duck, a horse, a pig, a pig, a sheep, a sheep. That's what you see. Let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm, around the farm. Let's take a walk around the farm. What do you hear? A cow. A dog. Quack, quack, quack. A duck. A horse. Oink, oink, oink. A pig. Bah. A sheep. That's what you hear. Let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm, around the farm. Let's take a walk around the farm. What do you see? Let's take a walk, 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 let's take a walk. Goodbye, cow. Goodbye, dog. Quack, quack, quack. Goodbye, duck. Goodbye, horse. Oink, oink, oink. Goodbye, pig. Bah. Goodbye, sheep. Goodbye, elephant.
Okay students, hope you enjoyed the video. Now we start with our vocabulary. 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 Sheep. Sheep. Horse. Horse. Duck. Duck. Dog. Dog. Cat. Cat. Cow. Cow. Hen. Hen. Rat. Rat. Rabbit. Rabbit. Vocabulary. Sheep. Horse. Duck. Dog. Cat. Cow. Hen. Rat. Rabbit. A sheep. 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 A sheep. One more time. A sheep. 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 A horse. 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 A horse. 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 deck. A deck. 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 A deck. 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 A dog. A dog. 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 A dog. Dog. A cow. A cow. 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 A cow. Cow. A hen. A hen. 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 Again. A hen. Hen. A rat. A rat. 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 A rat. A rat. Rat. A rabbit. A rabbit. 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 One more time. A rabbit. Rabbit. A cat. A cat. 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 Again. A cat. A cat. Cat. Okay, students, we have come to the end of our lesson for today. Goodbye and see you in the next video. Bye bye.